How to do the 0.5 on Snapchat. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to do the 0.5 feature on Snapchat. This process is easy and straightforward. It doesn't take too much time and it works for all devices. So guys, let's get started. So if I open up my Snapchat app, right in the camera screen there's no option for the 0.5 or for the 0.5 option here in the camera screen, but this is what I can do. Alright, the first thing you want to do is to tap on the filter, and below you can see the explore icon below. It looks like a magnifying glass, so just tap on it and this takes you to the explore page. In the explore page, tap on the search icon and search for deep wind. As you can see on the screen, just search for deep wide. This opens the deep wide, the 0.5. You can see the 0.5 option there, so you just tap on it and this opens the 0.5 option. You can see your video and your camera is now in the deep wide option, as you can see. So you can just take a quick photo or you make a quick video in the deep wide option. As you can see, your video is in the deep wide option, the 0.5 option on Snapchat. So guys, this is it. It's very easy. You can add voiceover, you can add text, add filters, add the normal elements to your videos. Then you can send it as a story or send it to your friends at snaps on Snapchat. It's very easy guys. I hope this video helped you. Please like this video and subscribe to TechSoft YouTube channel. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.